We made it out here to HOGG Parts, to my boy Chris's shop, man. And this is some of the bikes he got out here. He got used and old parts. Now he got new parts as well. And you see, he got tool packs over here. This is a razor here. He got the chop, and he got the king. So if you're looking for a tool pack, man, you got the Chrome Works pipes. How you doing?
Like red bike right there for sale, this one's for sale, and that frame's for sale.
Okay, yeah. So yeah, he got Chrome Works out here if y'all looking for some Chrome Works. Yeah. Hey, where's Chris, man? Okay. Yeah, but Chris ain't made it here yet. He probably wasn't expecting me to get here this early. So look at that, y'all. He got a bunch of different seats that you're looking for. I guess I'm about to give him a call, let him know I'm here. And he got all kind of pipes out here, y'all. So yeah. He got wheels. Matter of fact, he sells new and old stuff out here as well. So yeah, how y'all doing? He got gas tanks and fenders. We got all kind of stuff out here, y'all. So I'm about to give Chris a call, y'all. We got more Chrome Works right here. You got the round hearts. We got the stock Harley pipes as well. We got all kind of stuff. These are some Tab Performance right here, y'all, but they look like the 4.5. They are. That's some Tab Performance pipes right there. Got the Chrome Works out here as well. So yeah, man, he got pipes and stuff for days out here. But yeah, look at, you got the real stuff for your fenders. You got speakers and bag resters and oh man, you just got a bunch of stuff you need. You got shocks, you need saddlebag guards. But yeah. Yeah, I just wanted to stop through here and show y'all some of Chris stuff out here that he have out here. So yeah, like I said, he sells new stuff, old stuff, wheels, tires. I'm gonna put the address up on the screen, y'all, and you'll see. So you'll have the address in case you ever in the Red Oak area. It's Red Oak, Texas, y'all. This is where I'm at. So if you're in the Red Oak area and you need some parts, he got it for you out here. You got the saddlebags, you got the stretch, you got the standard. He got it all out here, y'all. But yeah, but we on our way to Austin, man. So we gonna head to Austin. How you doing?
Living the dream. Chris is on his way.
Okay, okay. So yeah, my boy Chris is on his way, but yeah, we gonna get it going, man. We are living life. Tell the camera who you are.
I'm Amber at HOGG Parts. What's up, y'all?
Chris's wife, right?
Chris's wife,
Chris's
yeah.
wife. That's Chris's wife, y'all. So yeah, you got the breathers. That's the man right there. This is Chris, y'all. What's going on, brother?
What's going on, man? Been
a while since I see you, man.
No, man, I'm out, man. I'm done. I'm retired.
Hey, retired from the service, right?
Yeah, I retired about 2 days ago, man, from the Army. So
that's what's up, man.
Yeah, we're down here just doing everything we can, man.
Yeah.
How about you? How you been?
Man, I'm good, man. Just working.
Oh,
You know, we gotta make a living.
Oh, I hear you. I hear you. You been out riding lately? It's been hot.
We finna head to Austin right now.
Okay. All right.
You know, the bagger race is going on down there.
I did not know that.
Yeah. So we headed down there right now, man.
Okay. Yeah, we just did a pickup in Austin a couple of days ago, and I just came down there. So saw the guys at Cowboy down there. So if you need anything, go see him. Ask for Brian. He'll take care of it. Cowboy?
Okay. So man, tell us about your place. What you got going on, man?
So we are the largest used Harley parts dealership in 5 states. It's HOGG Parts 2013. We're a family-owned business. We're also veteran-owned and operated. I myself am a veteran. My grandfather and, well, my wife's grandfather, he's a veteran too. My wife runs the office. He does a lot of the sales. I handle sales and pickups. So, I mean, we're out here just trying to do our thing, man. You know, trying to help out people because we know how expensive.
Yeah, Harley parts, $100.
Oh yeah,
$100.
Oh yeah. We know. So, we know how much they can run. So we try to give everybody a good deal, and you know we got to make a living too.
So tell me everything you got going on in the shop,
man. I mean, we have we've got hundreds of seats. We've got wheels. We've got tour packs. I mean, it's very rare that somebody calls in or comes in and asks for a part that we don't have. I mean, it happens, but you know, it's usually on like older models and stuff like that.
Right.
And a lot of our stuff we send out to get custom. Like, I'll take you out here. I'll show you some of the stuff I've got on my bike and our hot rod bike, which is actually for sale.
Yeah, he just said that. What's on that?
It's a 131, brother.
131.
It's a 131. It says 114 on it. We haven't had time to change the badges yet.
Hey, y'all, if y'all looking for a new bike right here, y'all.
Yeah, it's 2018.
Okay.
It's a monster, man.
It look like it.
It is a monster. We're still doing a couple of things to it.
I like the push rods you got going on here, y'all. Y'all check that out right there. That all matches up, man.
Yeah, it's.
Where you get those push rods from?
Here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. This is mine. It's a 2017 Street Glide Special. A couple of the things that we've done to it, we've gotten custom painted stretch bags. I actually have a tour pack, which I'm installing something on right now.
Okay.
I crank it up for you. I've got a set of Tab Performance Zombies on it.
Hey, can't go wrong with tabs, huh?
I couldn't resist, man. I had a set of Cobras on there, and I love the way they sound. And then a buddy of mine said, "Hey, man, you need to check these out." And so all I've got done to mine is I've got a Screaming Eagle breather, and then I've got my my zombies on here. And
sounds good too.
I mean, it'll get up and go. It really will.
So on your, are they new or they used?
They're used.
Hey, what's your price on it? What's your price usually around on most of your stuff?
It just depends. So, I mean, we have some exhausts that'll go for, I mean, decent exhausts. They go for 285, 300, and then we've got some that run 6 or 7. It just depends on what you're looking for. If you're looking for a full system, if you're looking for slip-ons, it just depends, man.
Okay.
Yeah, it's. Another thing that we do, we have a guy. We get a lot of stock seats in. We get a lot of Harley seats in. So to kind of set ourselves apart, and again, it's a little dusty. I apologize.
No, you're good. You're good.
We actually send them off to get custom stitching. Now on mine, I got a paint match to my bike.
Right.
We can get them any color. We've actually got one on here too.
Right.
We can get them done to any color: black, blue, red, white, gray, silver. I mean, it's whatever you want. It's usually about a 3-day turnaround.
Okay.
So, I mean, we can do a little bit of custom stuff here and there too.
That's what's up.
Yeah, I got my Daymaker light in.
Oh yeah,
I just
nice.
installed those. I mean, you know, it's a work in progress. I got it about a month and a half ago, and
decided to sell the big dog here. You got tabs on that one as well?
No. This one is running. I think these are just the Screaming Eagle.
Okay.
These are just Screaming Eagle. Like I said, we're still doing a couple of things to it. We're gonna throw some other stuff on here. CNC ported heads, Arlen Ness breather, Screaming Eagle pipes. I mean, the list goes on and on, brother.
Okay. And y'all, this is for sale right here. You see it right here. This is for sale. So,
yep. And if anybody's looking for a project bike.
Project, okay.
Yeah. little project bobber. They're selling that one too.
Okay.
I think he wants 25 for this one, but up to negotiation. It's actually at 1200.
Okay.
It looks rough, but it only needs a couple of things to kick over.
Right.
So, I mean, and you can find most of those things right here.
Okay. Want to show us through your shop, man?
Oh yeah.
I see you get new wheels and used ones.
Well, so we've actually had a lot of those wheels for a little bit. They were kind of hidden in the back. So
right.
we wanted to bring them up front, display them, and you know, I mean, we get 21s in, 23s. Now those 21s on like, I'd say 09 and up. The 21s will fit under a stock fairing. You got to get a little spacer. Other than that, you're good to go, man. Those wheels run 585.
585. Okay.
585. We get you.
You can get the rear matching wheel too as well.
We can order them. We don't usually carry them in because a lot of the people who have those, they'll run like extended bags, and you don't even see the back wheel.
Right.
So, if you're wanting to do matching, we can order them. But if you want to save some money, you don't really see much of the back wheel anyway.
Right.
I mean, so we got options, man. We got tires. We've got stock wheels. I mean, it goes on and on, brother.
Yeah, he got everything in here, y'all. If you need grips, floorboards, he got it all in here, y'all. If you want stock wheels, fairings, yeah, man.
Yeah,
We got stuff back there, y'all.
Yeah, we are constantly getting new stuff in. I mean, we're going on 2 pickups this week.
Okay.
From different Harley dealerships that we work with. And I mean, we get 5 or 6 cratefuls, and we never know what we're gonna get.
Right.
I mean,
Hey, how you actually get started with all this, man?
so our owner bought like 5 or 6 wrecked motorcycles, wrecked Harleys, and he was having a real hard time finding decent priced parts.
Right.
Well, he was up at a Harley dealership, and he saw these mechanics just throwing parts into a bin, and he said, "Hey, what are you doing with those?" Well, I said, "Well, we just send them off for scrap, and I mean, we get like $100 for them for the whole scrap thing."
Oh, wow.
And he said, "Well, hell, I'll give you 150 for it." That's
Right.
how it started, man.
Oh, wow.
That's how it started.
Nice.
And it turned into, 20 years later, it turned into this.
Other man's trash is another man's treasure. Is that what they say?
I'm telling you, bro. I am telling you. And I mean, we don't get a whole lot of trash in there. We really don't. It's just, you know, like some things Harley just can't turn around and sell.
Right.
They just can't. So, and they can't send them back to the manufacturer. So,
Yeah, exactly.
like you said, one man's trash, another man's treasure.
And this is all the exhaust right here.
Oh no, this
This ain't all of them?
No.
What?
No. So we've got slip-ons here, and we've got stuff for M8s, B-twins. I mean, we've got it all.
Man.
So then you got, and we just unboxed. I apologize about all the boxes.
Oh, no,
but
you
we
good.
just unboxed a
You
lot.
good.
So you've got here, if you come over here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. He got the headers and everything,
Oh,
y'all.
yeah.
He got it all.
And then you got more here.
Oh, wow.
Oh, yeah. We've got bags. We've got a couple of full sets. But Fairies, let me take you outside.
Okay.
And there's more.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
And crazy part is, this ain't even all of it, man. We still got a whole nother 18-wheeler at our old location.
Right.
We built this one about 2 years ago. And we've got a whole other 18-wheeler at our at our old location that still hasn't been brought over and unloaded yet.
Wow.
Whole 18-wheeler.
Wow.
Yep.
Yeah, that's good, man.
Oh yeah.
Hey, so if y'all looking for some parts at a good price, y'all come check out my man Chris at HOGG Parts. I found him on Facebook, y'all, and you also ship too. Right?
Yeah, we
So
ship
he'll
all over the
ship-
country, and if we need to, we can actually ship overseas too.
Okay.
We've shipped to London. I mean, we've sent parts to like Dubai and stuff like that. So
Oh, wow.
yeah. I mean, we can just give us a call, man. We can make things work.
That's what's up, man.
For sure.
That's what's up. Good business. Hey, good business to have, cause people are always trying to get parts and upgrade their bikes, and this is a great place to do it.
Oh yeah, absolutely, man.
So, yeah.
I mean, and we are, you know, we're a fraction of the cost that you may go
Yeah.
to a dealership and find.
Okay.
So-
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, I mean, we try to be as fair as we can, but you know, like I said, hey, we gotta make some money too. But
Right, exactly.
We're not we're not greedy, man.
Right.
At the base of it, when you get down to it, we're riders ourselves, man.
Yeah,
Looked for
exactly.
parts, couldn't find them, or kind of played that. You want how much for that?
Right, right.
So we try to be as fair as we can.
Yeah. Like you say, you still got to make a living too.
Oh yeah.
So yeah.
Oh yeah.
You know, you still got your family as well. So.
Yeah, we're always, we're here. We're here 5 days a week. But if you need something on a Sunday or Monday, you give me a call. I'll try to see what I can do and try to make things happen.
Yeah, he usually riding with the wifey and the fellas on Sundays and Mondays. He in the streets, y'all. But man, I'm glad you invited us out here, man.
Oh, absolutely.
Man, your address and where you at?
Address is 1200 Pierce Road in Red Oak, Texas. Phone number, you can reach me at 940-337-4113. I always have that phone on me, so unless I am on the bike, I will answer the phone.
Yeah, man, I appreciate you having us out here, dude.
Absolutely,
And man,
absolutely.
he got a lot of stuff, man. So man, y'all come out and check my man Chris out, man, and support him, man, cause I brought a lot of stuff out here after I did all the modifications on my bike, and man, I pretty much just donated it, man. So man, and he helped me out with my backrest on my bike. So hey, I'm cool with that, man.
What's your back, brother?
Appreciate it. Man, what's your name, man?
Scott,
Scott. How long you been here?
I've only been here about 20 minutes.
20 minutes. Oh, you don't work here?
No.
Oh, okay. But man.
I'm picking up parts and dropping off parts.
Oh, that's what's up.
Okay.
So yeah.
Well, hey, Kelly, man, I appreciate you coming
Yes,
out.
sir.
I gotta get to work, brother.
Man,
all right?
have a good one,
If you
bro.
need anything, call me.
Yes, sir. I will do. Y'all have a good one, man.
What's your YouTube channel? I know you've got one.
Kelly B.
Because I think I've seen you on something.
Kelly B. Gliding.
Okay, yeah.
That's me. So yeah. Y'all have a good one, Chris.
All right.
All right.